Have you ever wished studying could be faster and more fun? Let's talk about Quizlet, the app that makes learning simple and interactive. Quizlet is a free study app that helps you memorize anything: vocabulary, formulas, definitions, and more. You can create your own study sets or search millions made by other students and teachers. Each set includes digital flashcards, and Quizlet lets you study them using different modes like Learn, Match, and Test to make sure you remember everything. It even has AI-powered practice and audio pronunciation, so you can study smarter anywhere, anytime. People use Quizlet because it turns boring memorization into a game. It's perfect for preparing for exams, learning new languages, or reviewing class notes, and it works on both phone and desktop. Whether you're a student, teacher, or a lifelong learner, Quizlet helps you study more effectively.